Okie dokie, last time you will hear my voice. This unit, anyways. Almost possibly ever. Okay, we'll see. Whatever. A plane flies from Colorado Springs due north to Denver, or at least it should. And we're told that that is a distance of 70 miles. So if we draw ourselves a little map, we have blah 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 blah. Mr. Reed can't think. It's late at night. If we draw a map, we have Colorado Springs directly north of Colorado Springs. 70 miles is Denver. But oh no, due to inclement weather, which actually often happens on the flight from the Springs to the Denver, one of the bumpiest, most nauseating flights I've ever taken was from the Springs to the Denver. Holy moly, I thought I was going to throw up. Luckily, I didn't. Luckily, it was only a 30-minute flight, anyways. But due to bad weather, the plane is not able to fly directly to Denver. So instead, the plane takes off at a bearing of north 60 west. Now, bearings are very easy to figure out. It's very easy to get your bearing when talking about bearings. Ha 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 ha. Start with a north-south line. They're always measured off the north-south lines. So north 60 west, since we're talking north 60 west, that means start at the north and start going in the west direction 60 degrees. So go down 60 degrees like that. So that tells me if we go back to our diagram with Colorado Springs and Denver, since that is a north-south line, I know if I'm flying north 60 west, that angle right there has to be 60 degrees. Now, what else am I told? I'm told that after flying 57 miles, so I can label that leg 57 miles. After flying 57 miles, the plane turns and flies directly towards Denver. So now we are turning and heading straight back towards Denver. And we want to know, how far is that last leg of the journey? Well, notice we have a side, we have an angle, and we have a side. And that means we have to use law of cosines. I'm going to call that side x. That's what we want to find. Law of cosines, when you're trying to find a side, says put that side on the left, x squared equals the other two sides squared and added together, so 57 squared plus 70 squared, minus 2 times the other two sides, so 2 times 57 times 70, times the cosine of the angle opposite of the side we're trying to find, so the cosine of 60. It also happens to be the only angle that we know. So if you are in my class, I have been encouraging you to do this all in one step rather than getting a bunch of different pieces and entering them in sequentially. Just do it all in once. There's no point to mess with all the humbub and dum-bum and bubba-da-dum-bum. Just do it all at once. Notice we have x squared on the left, so we're going to have to take the square root of everything. So, take the square root of everything. Notice I haven't done anything in the calculator yet. Literally, square root of all of this stuff. 57 squared plus 70 squared minus 2 times 57 times 70 times the cosine of 60. Put all of that in at once. Hit the square root button, then start typing exactly as you see it. Close your parenthesis at the end, and you will not have any problems. Your calculator should report back to you that that side is 64.5 miles. That's all it is. Do it in one step. Don't do 57 squared and get a number, and then 70 squared and get a number, and add them, and then blah, blah, blah. Don't do all that. You're making too much work. Your calculator is very, very good at handling long expressions. It can do it. Let it do it.